Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Browning Street. Today I am going to take a computer class for class 3 students. Our today's topic is Chapter 7, Tux Paint Discussion. So my dear students, open your book and let's start the class. And this is your second class of the annual examinations, lecture 2. So open your book, let's start the class. Open your book, go to page number 50, chapter 7, Tux Paint. Okay, so we're starting our class, Tux Paint, starting Tux Paint. So Tux Paint is a program, application software program. So how we can start Tux Paint program? If the question come in the exam for MCQ, how we can start the Tux Paint program? What will you do? First you have to click start button. So we have to first click start button. Next, number 2, click wall programs. This is wall programs. First click start button, then click all programs. Then we have to move. Number 3, click Tux Paint. This is Tux Paint, and click the Tux Paint. Next one, click Tux Paint window. Click Tux Paint window. This one. And then this drawing canvas will be opened. Okay. So this is the toolbox. This is the toolbox. We can select any tool. This is the toolbox, and we can select any tools from the toolbox. And this is the drawing canvas. Very important. This is, look in very carefully, this is the drawing canvas. In the Tux Paint window, the white portion is called the drawing canvas. The white portion in the Tux Paint program is called the drawing canvas. Very important for your exam in MCQ period. And this one is very important, color box. What we can do from the color box? We can select any color, red, white, any color, blue, any color from the color box. If the question comes in the exam, the white portion in the Tux Paint program is called what? Drawing canvas. And we can select color from the color box. So we can start Tux Paint program from the by clicking start button. Okay, and the white portion in the Tux Paint program is called drawing canvas. And from the toolbox we can select any tool, and from the color box we can select any color. And this Tux Paint program is an application software for drawing and coloring. So this Tux Paint program is an application software for drawing and coloring. We can draw and color. Where we can draw? We can draw in the drawing canvas. And we can color from the help of the color box. So this is a software for drawing and coloring. This is very important. This is software for drawing and coloring. So this is very important. From this chapter, this Tux Paint program is very important. This portion is very important. We can move to next part. Drawing, use the pen tool. From the toolbox, drawing using the pen tool. How we can draw? From the toolbox, select the pen tool by clicking on it. So we have to select first, from the toolbox, we have to select first the pen tool by clicking on it. From the selector, select the thickness of the brush. Then from the color box, select the color you want. So we have to select the color box. From the color box, select the color you want. From the color box, we can select as you wish of what color you want, you can select. Using the mouse, draw what you want on the drawing canvas. Again we have come again. So in the drawing canvas, we can draw anything in the drawing canvas. So where we can draw? we can draw in the drawing canvas. Next one, coloring using the magic tool. Click on the magic tool in the toolbox. So if the question comes where we can find the toolbox, we can find the toolbox in the magic tool. Number 2, find fill in the selector and click on it. If it is not visible, press the down button to search for it. Next one, select the color from the color box. Again, we have to select the color from the color box. Click inside any closed area to fill color in it. Change the color for different parts of the drawing. You can change the color for different parts of the drawing. Erasing using the eraser tool. So we know eraser, what we do with the help of the eraser, we can erase something. Like this, the eraser tool in the toolbox works in the same way as the eraser tool in paint. You can use it to erase any part of the drawing. So by eraser tool, we can erase any part of the drawing. So let me question, what we can do by the eraser tool? We can erase any part of the drawing. So we're moving the next page, save and open tool. To save your drawing, click on the save tool. If you want to save your drawing, you have to click on the save tool. Very easy, your drawing will be saved. To open the drawing again, click on the open tool and select the drawing you want to open. See, if you want to open the drawing, open anything, you have to click on the open tool. If you want to open something, you have to click on the open tool. And if you want to save something, you have to click on the save tool and your drawing will be saved. So we have learned, if you want to save something, we have to click on the save tool. If you want to open something, we have to click on the open tool. Selecting a new picture to color. After opening task pane, select new from the toolbox. Number 2, use the down and up buttons to look at all the pictures present on tool task pane. Select the one you want and click on open. Color the picture using the magic tool as before. So the last part of this chapter, activities. Task pane has many different kinds of brushes in the magic tool that you can use to get different effects. So if the question comes in the task pane has dash different kinds of brushes, the answer will be many different kinds of brushes. If the question comes task pane has many dash kinds of brushes, it will be different. So both two ways the MCQ can come in the magic tool that you can use to get different effects. Some of them are shown here. You can get more by pressing the down button. Try them out one by one and use them to draw interesting pictures. So what have you learned? We can summarize the task pane program. You have to first go to the task pane program and click the start button to open the task pane program. Then a toolbox will be opened. You will find the drawing canvas, the color box. In the drawing canvas you will draw, and from the color box you can color any color you like. And task pane program is a source application software for drawing and coloring. So this is our class today. My dear students, read at home. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.